want to talk to you about a really interesting topic, that is that of interactions of supplements with hormones. It comes up all of the time. You know, I see people every single day that are doing what I call homebrew supplement programs. That is, they've heard something, they've read something, they've seen an ad on TV, or somehow or another have come to create this long list of supplements for which they're spending hundreds of dollars every single month. And you know what? Sometimes you don't even know what you're getting, particularly if you're not using pharmaceutical grade supplements, which can really make a difference. But worse than that, sometimes these supplements are causing you more harm than good, particularly if they have interactions with hormones. Like for you guys out there, testosterone is a really important hormone. A lot of us don't have quite the right amount of testosterone, so the last thing that we want to be doing is taking a supplement that gets in the way. Look at things like green tea extract supplements or over-the-counter testosterone boosters or things along that line. They can actually do the opposite of what you think that they're doing. That is, they interfere with your body properly utilizing the testosterone or the free testosterone that's there. So I highly recommend it that if you want to get a supplement, that you seek out professional help. Either a highly educated and trained, knowledgeable person at a health food store, but better yet, a certified nutritionist who understands supplements at their very chemical core, or a medical provider that can give you the benefit of their expertise and their knowledge. And of those medical providers, only some of them are really trained very well in supplements, because I'll tell you, most medical schools and most training facilities don't give people the right knowledge and understanding of supplements, and in fact, many of them tell them that supplements generically are bad and not to do them. So if you feel that your supplement program needs to be improved, or if you feel that any of your supplements may be getting in the way, you can drop us a question below, or certainly we would be happy to answer your question. Just give us a call in the office. Not only do we have expert providers in our office, we have an on-staff nutritional specialist who can help guide you with the proper building of a supplement program that's just right for you. This is Dr. John Carrozzella at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness.